A spacecraft traveling at 36,000 miles per hour just captured an image so impossible, it is forcing astrophysicists to rip up our textbooks. It discovered a massive, beating heart of ice, 40 times colder than Antarctica, that is somehow alive. At over 3 billion miles from the Sun, Pluto was supposed to be a dead, frozen rock. Instead, the New Horizons probe found 11,000-foot ice mountains floating on a subterranean ocean, and glaciers moving like liquid. Then, a billion miles further into the dark, it photographed Arrokoth, a bizarre, deep red object that completely defies the laws of planetary collision. Scientists are absolutely baffled. How is a dark graveyard of the solar system this geologically active? To understand why this is breaking science, you have to look at the baseline. For 85 years, we thought the Kuiper Belt was just a deep freeze of inert, dead rubble left over from the birth of our solar system. Basic thermodynamics dictates that small bodies this far out lose their internal heat rapidly. They should be heavily cratered and completely silent. But this is where things get strange. Because the final, historic footage sent back to Earth shattered that assumption instantly. What I am about to reveal next is exactly why thousands of truth seekers are joining Deep Space Secrets every single day. If you want to uncover the classified cosmic truths most people miss, hit that follow button right now. Stay with me here, because what you are about to see changes everything. Let us rewind the tapes. July 14, 2015. The piano-sized New Horizons spacecraft, equipped with the LORRI high-resolution camera, finally intercepts Pluto after a grueling 9-year journey. Mission scientists wait in agonizing suspense. As the first pixels download, a massive, bright anomaly emerges, shaped exactly like a heart. But as the resolution cleared, the team froze. They were not looking at an impact crater. They were looking at something that was actively moving. That heart, Sputnik Planitia, is a 1,000,000 square mile basin of toxic nitrogen ice. And here is the crazy part. It is constantly renewing itself through convection, like thick oatmeal bubbling on a stove. The leading theory? A massive subsurface ocean of liquid water, insulated by a layer of trapped gases, is keeping Pluto's heart beating. It is a beautiful answer, but it raised a terrifying question. If a tiny ice world like Pluto is secretly alive, what else is hiding out there? Fast forward to January 2019. Just when you thought you understood the outer limits, New Horizons intercepts Arrokoth and throws a wrench into everything. It is a 22-mile-long contact binary, 2 giant lobes joined at a thin neck. But there is zero fracture damage. They did not violently smash together, they gently merged at the speed of a walking human. This impossible find directly contradicts the long-held theory of how planets form. Scientists around the world are currently divided. Did Arrokoth form through a gentle gravitational dance, or does its strange red color prove it is covered in complex organic molecules, the literal building blocks of life? I genuinely want to know what you think. Do you believe Pluto's hidden ocean could harbor extreme extraterrestrial life? Or is this dark edge of the solar system just playing tricks on our cameras? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below, I read every single one. By the end of this video, you will understand why this discovery affects how we see our place in the universe. If Pluto can sustain liquid water, it completely redefines the habitable zone. Suddenly, we are not just looking at Earth-like planets anymore. Every icy moon, every wandering dwarf planet could be a cosmic incubator. And Arrokoth? It holds the pristine, frozen DNA of our solar system from 4.6 billion years ago. Looking at it is like looking at the exact cosmic umbilical cord that birthed planet Earth. Right now, New Horizons is speeding toward interstellar space, its power slowly fading. The breathtaking images you are looking at today are likely the last close-ups of these worlds we will ever see in our lifetimes. There are no current missions planned to go back. But science is not stopping. The James Webb Space Telescope is now turning its golden mirrors toward the Kuiper Belt, analyzing the chemical makeup of these distant ice giants from afar. We are already preparing concepts for future orbital missions to Uranus and Neptune. The dark edge of our solar system is finally stepping into the light, and we are just scratching the surface. But Pluto's impossible ocean is not the only anomaly keeping astronomers awake at night. In our upcoming videos, we will be investigating the terrifying great attractor that is violently pulling our entire galaxy toward it, and the newly leaked James Webb images that suggest the Big Bang might never have happened. You do not want to miss those. Thank you for joining me on this journey to the absolute edge of the abyss. As we watch new horizons fade into the cosmic dark, remember that what we consider a dead world is often just waiting for someone to take a closer look. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up.